Thank you, Lord, for the trials that come my way. In that way I can grow each day as I let you lead. And thank you, Lord, for the patience those trials bring. In that process of growing, I can learn to care. But it goes against the way I am to put my human nature down and let a spirit take control of all I do. 'Cause when those trials come, my human nature shows a thing to do, and God's soft prompting can be easily ignored.
Thank you, Lord, with each child